Right, so I'm out here with a French 2-man military tent. Got it well cheap, got it for about 35 quid. It looks relatively easy to set up. It's got 2 doors on it. Out here doing a stealth camp again. The road's just over there, runners come past, but all the foliage has grown, so it should be good. But if I do feel like people can see me, I'm going to use this camo net here. As usual with me, it's not the prettiest job in the world, but it does the job. To get the ridge line proper, I had to use all the leading lines that would have been used to hold the ventilation shafts open because I forgot my paracord. But tent set up. The next thing is I've got to put a camo net just behind the camera here because it's the most visible part from the road. And I walked all up and down the road. I'll show you in a sec. There's 2 visible patches. One I'm not fussed about. That one behind the camera I am, so camo net next. I actually haven't used this yet, so let's see if it does the job. I don't know which side you're supposed to have towards you, the one with all the string, I don't know. Alright, so that's it there. That is very tall, I'm very happy with that. And then I'm going to show you the other side now. This is where the cars could see me from. So it's right there where the road is. That was a perfect timing example. Don't think you can see that tent now. The car just went past. Right, I've been waiting for a car and I think one's just about to come. Let's see if we can see it through here. I can hear it. Oh, I can see it. There it is. I can't see through the camera at all. Yes. Now that's what I call perfect. Man, there's so many cars. I'm just trying to get a shot of tent. Every 5 seconds there's another car coming up. It's never been this busy here. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is literally the most visible spot of the tent. There it is, right in the centre. That patch of green. The camo is just here in front of it, so this is literally the most visible patch now that the camo's up. This is the road here, and before there's a big open patch here. All the cars could see it there, but now that the camo's up, can't see it at all. Oops, another car coming past. Right, I've gone on a walk. Everything's in the tent. All my valuables are in my pocket. Obviously, wouldn't leave them in the tent. Just in case anyone wonders by. Camo's holding up. Tent's there. Looking nice. So, just gonna go for a canal walk now, as soon as I've got the time. Hey.
Alright.
Yeah, good, thank you.
What you trying to put in photograph?
Yeah, just videos of the canal and everything.
Alright, good.
Have a good one. Right, so when we stealth camping, about step 2. Shout out to Steve. He started the stealth camping wave, what can you say? Gotta go for Jack and Coke, it's nice and light. Welcome to Cooking with Jamie, that hit TV show that we all know and love. With your host, Jamie. So, the lovely selection we've got on today. We've got some fresh bread, extra mature cheddar, what's this? Tomato and basil soup, some pepper and salt if we need it. Gonna be lovely. And then if I want to make a cheese sandwich with some Tommy K, there it is. So right, let's get cooking. Oh yeah, also we got some new mess tins. Got them for £2 for 2 of them. Right, so what we're going to do, turn this gas on. What's that? Want it on a very low heat. Let's get that on there. Nice ring pull on this can. Right. God. Smells lovely. Smell that basil. That base got hot so fast. Right, so we've got the soup in there now. Can't wait to send you that. That's good stuff. Scrape it out in a second. So now, I'm just going to let that simmer. I'm going to taste it. May put some pepper and some salt in there. May even put a bit of cheese in the soup. See how I'm feeling. Come back to you when it's hot. Oh wow, I didn't expect that. That is actually lovely. Exactly how it is. That's done now. Just keep it there on the hob. Nice and hot. Cheese my bread with it. That's nice cheese too. Really good. Nice and simple. That's how we do it when we're camping. That's really good cheese. Fresh farm bread. Tomato and basil soup. Lovely. Nice and simple. That's how we do it when we're camping. I've got a couple extra of those Jack and Coke cans when I'm in my tent later too. Enjoy the rest of this. Oh. Big old van. Couldn't see me at all. Fantastic. Oh, so much room. Oh, it's the first time I've been in here. Oh yes, more than enough room. One over. Oh yes. That's perfect. Alright, so I'm 6'1" and I've got more than enough room for my feet to extend. I've got room before my head's even there. So much room for activities. And you can fit everything else here. This is definitely a 2-person tent. So I've opened the ventilation shafts as well as I could. But I only had one leading line because I forgot my paracord. I had to use the rest for the bridge line. So we'll see how hot I get overnight. But that's amazing. This is the best tent by far, and for £35 it's an absolute steal. Right, so that's it. Packed up now. Very rainy, as you can see, got a bit wet, so it doesn't matter. Everything's done. Most of it's at the car. Just got to take the tent into camera now. So cheers for watching. You know, if you like it, subscribe, there'll be more coming on the way.